everyone, and welcome to my channel. So today I am really excited. I'm going to be going over the Dermaflash Luxe. This retails for $200, and what it does is it removes peach fuzz and also that dead layer of skin off of your face. So I want to kind of just jump right into it, and then after I use it, I'll kind of explain to you guys and show you, or talk about the product. I just am really excited, and I know you guys are too. If you clicked on this video, you want to like actually see the peach fuzz coming out of the face, not everything else. So anyways, this is the box. So once you take everything out, this is it here, and then this is what it comes inside of it. Okay, so in this, oh my god, I'm just dumping everything out. So here is the actual machine. It comes with like a pre-flash and a post-flash, which like I said, I'll explain to you guys after. And then it comes with it comes with 4 blades. It comes with a charging station and a charging cord. So let's just go ahead and jump into this. So for the pre-flash, what you do is you're going to massage this onto your, wet your face, massage this onto your face, then rinse it off, and then we'll go ahead and start the removing process of the peach fuzz. Okay, so this is how you, so I have the machine, and this is how you put the blade on. So that's the back of the machine. And then you're just gonna slide it through, I think. I don't know. Oh, yeah, so the blade's on now. So it came out of the tray, now the blade's on. Okay, now I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see just like really close so you guys can see everything. I hope you guys are close enough because I really want you to see it good. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and press the power button. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Okay, so it says keep it at a 45-degree angle and kind of just hold this hair back. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh my god, look how much came off. And that was just that one little area. Okay. So funny, I'm trying to look in the mirror and the camera at the same time. So that's how much more I got off. So look at all this. Look at that, it's crazy. That is so much hair. Okay, so I think I'm just going to finish the rest off camera because it's so hard to look at the camera and do it. But I think you guys kind of got an idea of how, and I probably should have showed you all of my face hair before I started shaving. Some of it is probably still there that I didn't get off, but Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest off camera and then I'll come back and talk to you guys about the product. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished shaving the rest of my face with the Dermaflash. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so I can show you, and I really wish I would have took a video of the hair on my face before so I could compare it side by side with after, but I really, to be honest with you guys, I didn't kind of really know what I was doing. So maybe next time I'll take another video and do it like that when the hair grows back. But yeah, for right now, this is kind of all I have for you guys to look at. So this is, I know I'm really close, but you can see how smooth it is. There's really no hair there. I shaved everything like here, just my whole face. The one thing that I was kind of scared about is how close can I get it down here without like practically shaving my neck. I mean, I don't have a lot of hair, it's just the peach fuzz, but it does kind of go down here a little bit. But when you stretch your skin like that, you're just automatically kind of pulling that up, so don't worry about that. It's just gonna naturally come off. And then just as you pull it, just right there, just kind of go down, and it was fine. So, but you can see how there's absolutely no hair. And it's so smooth. And I didn't put the post flash on yet. I was gonna do it on camera so you guys can see it, and I did up here as well. And up here, I don't really have any hair, but you could see the dead skin coming off when I did it. And I tried to like save it, but it was kind of like flying everywhere. I don't know if it's the air conditioner or what, but so yeah, so I did this, and I did the nose. So make sure you do your whole face, because even though you may not have hair there, it's still getting the dead skin off, and you will see it as you use it. So I did it over here. I had hair, of course, like the lip, and now it's nice and smooth. So I just want you guys to kind of get a good look, and then I'm gonna back the camera out. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. So the post flash, it's just a moisturizer, and I'll just go ahead and rub it on my skin now since I haven't done it. So this machine, let me tell you guys, as I'm putting this moisturizer on, they have two different ones. This one is the Luxe, so this one is $200. I got lucky, they had it at Ulta. I don't know, I checked a few days ago and it was on sale for $139. So I've been dying to get this machine, so I said, oh, perfect timing. It's the same price as the other one. So I was trying to do the research and see what the difference is between the Luxe and then just the regular one. And it says that the Luxe has two vibrations on it, one that's like normal and then one that's a little bit stronger. When I was doing my face now, I felt like the stronger vibration, which I'll show you guys here. I felt like the stronger vibration, I don't know if you can hear it. That's the first one. That's the second one. And then it turns off. I felt like the second one, the stronger one, was a little too much. And it may be because it's the first time I was doing it. And my skin does feel like a little, like sunburn, like kind of burnt. But I did it a lot because I obviously have a lot of hair, because I've only done dermaplaning once, and it was over 6 months ago. So all my hair is, you know, grown back, and they say it doesn't come back thicker. But I kind of felt like I had a lot of hair, but it could be too, I'm just getting older, and as you get older, you have more of the peach fuzz. So anyway, so that's that. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. That's what it did on my skin. This is just really a first impression, because it's the first time I tried it. You have your blade there, and it does say in the instruction manual to dispose of the blade. And before I got this machine in the mail, I was thinking to myself, I'm like, well, it's kind of expensive because it's like $30 for 4 blades. I'm wondering, could you reuse it? I definitely would not do it, and it says do not do it. But after I saw all the just nasty, gross stuff that came off of my skin, you're not going to want to use, even if you dipped it in alcohol, you're not going to want to use a blade again. And plus, you're not supposed to. So it literally says to dispose of it, just hold, okay, to dispose of the single-use edge, point top of device towards wastebasket and press eject button. Where's the eject button? Oh, it's 3. Okay. So there's a button here. I didn't even notice that. There's a button right here, and that's the eject button. That's the blade. And then over here is the power button. Up here on the top is the power button. Okay, so this is how you're going to eject it. like this. I hope it just doesn't fly everywhere. Yeah, so it just came out. I just ejected it. Okay, so once it's ejected, then you have an opening there, and that's how you would just charge it on your base. So that's the base, and you just stick it in there. And that's it. And then you plug it in, and then you would charge it, and it has this cord here to charge it with. It's just like an Android charger type end. And then you have your other blades. So I still have 3 blades left that I can do this. And I figure I probably won't need to do it at least for another 6 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks. So that's it. I mean, that's kind of pretty much wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you have any questions, please just list them below. And if you are new to my channel, remember, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.